So today is the last lesson of topic 11, which is the last lesson, the last topic of kindergarten. Dun, dun, dun. Then we do a little bit of reviewing what we did the whole year, and then we get to move on to first grade math. Woo! All right, that's exciting. No one's excited. I'm excited. All right, let me share my screen. We're still working on counting to 100, counting by ones, counting by tens. So I hope that everyone is watching Jack Hartman count to 100 because we need to know how to count to 100 by ones and tens. Today's objective, our objective is what we are going to learn. It is, I can see patterns when I count. So again, we'll be looking at the ones, the tens, and seeing what numbers are the same and what numbers change. Let's move on to our visual learning. All right, can everyone see? We'll be working with our hundreds chart.
You can use a 100 chart to count. What numbers are colored blue?
What numbers are blue? Take a look at the chart. What numbers are blue? Hold on, I see Amelia. Amelia, what numbers are blue?
50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, and 59.
Those are our blue numbers. They're all the numbers that are in the 50s.
50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59. When you count these numbers, you are counting by ones. You can also count these numbers by ones.
Let's look at that bottom group. It's blue. Who wants to tell me these numbers in the bottom group? Okay.
The 80s.
Okay, say them all.
Say them all. Start.
80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89.
Thank you, Kay. And when Kaylani told me all of those numbers in the 80s, she was counting by ones. And when we count by ones, we're just counting in order. That's all. That's counting by ones.
80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89. Look at the two groups of blue numbers. In each group, the numbers are one greater each time you count.
So when we count by ones, we're just going up by one. So our numbers get bigger by one. Like when we're counting in order.
The pattern looks the same on the chart. In the first group, the first part of the number is 5.
In the top group, the first number on the left side, that's our tens, is 5, the 50s. All of the 50s start with a 5. How about the second group on the bottom? What number is the same in every number? It's in the tens place. Giovanni?
0.
Well, there's a 0 in 50 and in 80, yes, but in the second group, all the 80s. What number stays the same in each of the blue boxes?
Which number?
Okay. 10.
The tens place stays the same. And in our 80s, that number is the number 8, Giovanni. The number 8 stays the same.
In the second group, the first part of the number is 8. The second part of the number goes from 0 to 9 in both groups.
So in our top group, we have our 50s. The first part, 5, stays the same. And then the next number just counts up. 51. Then we have 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, and 59. Our numbers are counting in order. We're counting by ones. The 5 stays the same, and then it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And then the second group in the 80s is the same thing. The 8 stays the same, and then the number on the right goes 1, 2, 3 for 81, 82, 83. Now there are lots of tricks in numbers for you to remember every single number in the whole entire universe.
These numbers are colored yellow. 70, 80, 90, 100. How are you counting when you count these numbers?
How are we counting when we count 70 to 80 to 90 to 100? Xavier?
What does that mean? Are you counting by what?
Tens.
By tens, yes. We're not counting by ones, or else it would be 70 and then 71. But Xavier noticed that these were all counting by tens.
You are counting by tens. The numbers change by 10 each time. They each have a 0 and are at the end of the row. You can count by ones and tens on the 100 chart.
We always used to count by ones and tens using our hundreds chart. Please, I hope everyone is counting to 100 at least once a week. Counting to 100, get moving, get dancing, get counting, because once we move on, you need to know all of your number patterns to move on to first grade math. Your worksheets for today is the same as our mystery question. You're finding the numbers that are missing. So you need to look at the numbers before and the numbers after to know which numbers are missing. Are there any questions about counting by ones or counting by tens to 100? Any questions with the worksheet? Some of you have already submitted your work, but any questions about the work? I see Alana is giving me the thumbs up. Kay is giving me a thumbs up. All right, seems like everyone is fine. You've been counting for a very long time, every single day since we started school back in August. So we should be fine with counting. Ariana, it's nice to see you. Xavier, it's really nice to see you. If there are no more questions, you can go ahead and say goodbye to your friends.
Bye-bye.
If anyone needs help, I'll stay on.
Bye. Love you. Bye. Go. Bye. 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 Bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye. Bye. Bye.
Bye, Giovanni.
Bye. 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 Bye.
All right, guys, I'll see you soon. Do your math work and submit on Dojo.
I already did it.
I know.
Bye.
All right, bye-bye.
Bye bye.